So step 4. All right, step 4 is taking the motor, number 8. Number 8 appears to be the Z motor. And what exactly are they trying to tell me? Okay, step 4, turn the machine around. All right, so this is when I wish I would have had my turntable set up to twist it back and forth instead of walking all the way around. That would have helped a lot. But whatever, it is what it is. So let's turn this. All right, well, losing tools, of course. So now we're in the back. So now we have it turned the correct way. Step 4, number 1. Wait. Oh, 1 bolt. Not sure. Oh, 1 M4 by 18 bolt. Let's get rid of the stuff we don't need. M4 by 18. We only need 1. All right, M4 by 18. Number 17. Oh, duh. It's the Z-Rod. So, didn't know what this was earlier. Z-Rod. Makes sense, doesn't it? Okay, so it has this good protector on it. Very cool to see. So here's your Z-Rod, and here 17 Z-Rod, number 8 is the Z motor, and you're going to need 1 M4 by 18 bolt. And it's trying to tell me that, let's see, do I put the rod in first? Not quite sure. I would say yes. I am going to anyway. And this is when I should probably tell you that most motors, threaded rods like this, have grease on them to keep them nice and greased up, especially when you're printing. You don't want those things to get dry, and if that happens. Okay, so the top bolt you want to loosen. I should show you this. On this top bolt, leave this one alone. This one's actually mounted to the Z motor. So do not touch this bottom bolt here. Do not touch this. The top one is the one you want to loosen. That way you can slide the rod in. So I'm going to fit it in there. I'm going to now tighten. I'm going to tighten that really snug. And hopefully I didn't get ahead of myself, but whatever. Okay, so now, where do I put this? I'm not quite sure. So let's see. There's 2 holes. It goes there. M4 by 18. We need 2 of them. So get my second one. And it looks like that's the end of the M4 by 18. It's always cool when you're in a project to actually see the bolts that are provided go away, because it means you're getting closer, as long as you didn't lose any. So it looks like we're going to take both of these bolts and stick them in here, because this is going to get mounted to the Z-axis. So you're going to need the proper tool. If you got them close by you, it's a good idea to keep them right there. So this is going to be a little tricky, it looks like, to get these to fit. So again, we're going to line 1 bolt up and make sure it's a little bit in there. And that one is, before I really tighten it. We're going to get the second one, and I'm just going to kind of turn the bolt with the Allen wrench, metric wrench, whatever you want to call it, socket head. So that way this will actually line up. And so it looks like they both kind of did. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten them. Well, I'm going to do one at a time till they get close to being tightened, because this is very important to get your Z-axis perfectly perpendicular with these rods. With these rails. So that one seems to be, and that one seems to be. If I need to adjust it later, I can. I sure hope. I'm assuming. So at this point, you probably should have did something I didn't and have a rag to wipe this grease on. And that's something I'm going to do before I touch any electronics. So